Ever wanted to jump between your pro account and your noob account in COD Mobile without the hassle? Well, you're in the right place. Alright, let's get started. First things first, make sure you're on the main screen of COD Mobile. This is where all the action begins, and where our logout journey starts. Next, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. That's the settings menu. Tap on it to open up your in-game settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, look to the right side of the screen, scroll down until you find the legal and privacy tab. Tap on this to proceed to the next step. In the bottom right corner of the legal and privacy screen, you should see a clear logout button. Tap on that button. A prompt will pop up asking you to confirm the logout. Another box will pop up asking you if you are sure. Confirm that you would like to log out by selecting OK. You'll be taken back to the login screen. From here, you can choose your preferred login method, whether it's through Call of Duty, Facebook, or as a guest. Select the account you want to switch to, enter your credentials if needed, and boom, you're in. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully logged out and switched accounts in COD Mobile. Now you can easily manage multiple profiles and keep your gaming experience fresh. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more COD Mobile tips and tricks. Happy gaming!